Hello students, in last lecture we have discussed about halogen derivative of alkane, then alkyl halides, classification of alkyl halide, common name nomenclature of alkyl halide, then IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halide. In today's lecture we are going to study physical properties of alkyl halide, reactions of alkyl halide and their preparation. First is physical properties of alkyl halide. First property is lower alkyl halides such as methyl chloride, methyl bromide, ethyl chloride are gases at ordinary temperature and remaining members are liquids or solid, possessing a sweet smell heavier than water and insoluble in water. Lower members of alkyl halides are gases at ordinary temperature and other members are liquid or solids and they possess sweet smell heavier than water and they are insoluble in water. Haloalkanes have considerably high boiling point than corresponding alkane because of their higher molecular weight. For example, here butane, N-butane and 1-chlorobutane, that is N-butyl chloride. The boiling point of N-butane is 36 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of 1-chlorobutane is 108 degree, that is 108 degrees Celsius. Their the boiling point of haloalkanes are higher than the corresponding alkane. This 1-chlorobutane is the halogen derivative of this N-butane and this 1-chlorobutane have higher boiling point than the corresponding alkane because there is high molecular weight of this compound. Therefore, these haloalkanes have higher boiling points than their corresponding alkanes. This two physical property. Then next property is for a given alkyl group, the boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increasing atomic weight of the halogen atom. Suppose the carbon atom is same and their attached halogen atoms are different. In this ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide. Here chlorine, then in this case the halogen atom is bromine and iodine. Then for a given alkyl group, any alkyl, methyl, ethyl, chloride, methyl, propyl, ethyl or N-propyl. Then for given alkyl group, the boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increasing atomic weight of halogen. Here, first example is ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide. The weight of halogen atom iodine is greater. Therefore, here boiling point of this ethyl iodide is greater than the other two. That is boiling point of ethyl chloride is 12.2 degrees Celsius, ethyl bromide is 38.4 degrees Celsius and ethyl iodide is 72.3 3 degrees Celsius. That is for given alkyl group boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increasing atomic weight, the weight of the halogen atom. Iodine have higher atomic weight, therefore its boiling point is greater than other two, that is ethyl bromide and ethyl chloride. Then for given halogen atom, boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increasing number of carbon atom. Suppose here halogen atoms are same, only number of carbon atoms are changed. Here N-propyl chloride and N-butyl chloride. N-propyl chloride have boiling point 47 degrees Celsius and N-butyl chloride boiling point is 78.5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, for given halogen atom, when given halogen atoms are same, the boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increasing number of carbon atoms. In N-propyl chloride, there are 3 carbon atoms and in N-butyl chloride, there are 4 carbon atoms. Therefore, the boiling point of N-butyl chloride is greater than the N-propyl chloride. The next physical property is as branching increases, the boiling point of alkyl halide decreases because with branching the molecule acquires spherical shape and the surface area decreases with the result that the intermolecular forces becomes weaker and boiling point occurs at lower temperature. For example, this is straight chain compound N-butyl bromide. Then here isobutyl bromide. Molecular formula remains same but their structural formula is different. It is N-propyl, that is straight chain compound and it is branch chain compound. Therefore, as branching increases, the boiling point of alkyl halide decreases. This isobutyl bromide have lower boiling point than the N-butyl bromide because with branching the molecule acquires spherical shape and the surface area decreases. Therefore, their result is that the intermolecular forces becomes weaker and boiling point occurs at lower temperature. Then next is the solubility. Alkyl halides are insoluble in water because their inability to form hydrogen bonds, and they are soluble in organic solvent of low polarity like benzene, chloroform, ether. That is, they are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvent. Then next is the preparation of alkyl halides. The alkyl halides are prepared from alkanes, then alcohols and alkenes. First is the from alkane by halogenation process. Halogenation process means halogen is replaced by halogen atom. Alkanes react with halogen like chlorine, bromine in presence of sunlight to give halogen derivative, and this reaction is called halogenation, means replacement of hydrogen atom of alkane by halogen atom. First is the chlorination. Chloroalkanes can be prepared by the action of chlorine on alkane in presence of diffuse sunlight or ultraviolet light. First example is methane. When react with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, we get product CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride plus HCl is a byproduct. Then ethyl chloride react with ethane react with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, we get ethyl chloride, and HCl is a byproduct. This is chlorination, means this is first preparation method of alkyl halide by halogenation process, that is halogenation of alkane, in which alkanes react with halogen like chlorine, bromine in presence of sunlight to give halogen derivative, and this reaction therefore called halogenation reaction or halogenation process. First is chlorination. Chlorination is carried out in presence of diffuse sunlight. The next is the bromination. Bromoalkanes can be obtained by the action of bromine on alkane in presence of aluminum tribromide as a catalyst. Because for bromination process we require catalyst, and this catalyst is aluminum tribromide, Lewis acid catalyst. Example, ethane react with bromine in presence of aluminum tribromide. Then product is bromoethane or ethyl bromide, and base HBr is the byproduct. Then next N-butane. Then N-butane when react with Br2, that is bromine, in presence of Lewis acid catalyst aluminum tribromide. Then product is 2-bromobutane and 1-bromobutane. Here only one product formation, but in this case N-butane there is two product formation, 2-bromobutane and 1-bromobutane. Reason, because here there are two types of hydrogens are present. First one, these these 6 hydrogen atoms. These 3 hydrogens and these 3 hydrogen, they are attached to the primary carbon. Then these 4 hydrogen, that is these 2 and these 2 hydrogen atoms are attached to the secondary carbon atom. Therefore, there are 2 types of hydrogen atom. Therefore, possibility of product are 2. That is 2-bromobutane and 1-bromobutane. But in this case, the 2-bromobutane is a major product because secondary carbon or secondary hydrogens are more reactive than the primary hydrogen. Therefore, 2-bromobutane is formed in excess than 1-bromobutane. Therefore, bromination is carried out in presence of a Lewis acid catalyst. Therefore, example, methane. Ethane when react with Br2 in presence of aluminum tribromide, we get ethyl bromide. Therefore, it requires catalyst. Then next is the iodination. Iodination is carried out in presence of catalyst like HiO3, that is iodic acid, and mercuric oxide, which is oxidizing agent, prevents backward reaction. These iodoalkanes are formed when iodine is treated with the alkane in presence of catalysts like iodic acid and mercuric oxide, which acts as an oxidizing reagent, and they prevents the backward reaction. The first ethane when react with iodine in presence of mercuric oxide, we get ethyl iodide and plus HgIO2 H2O. But this method is not good for the preparation of alkyl halide as tetrahalogen derivatives of alkanes are formed. Therefore, alkyl halides may be obtained as a major product by adjusting concentration of halogen atom. These methods are not good for the preparation of alkyl halide because we get tetrahalogen derivatives, because when monohalogen derivatives is formed, it is more reactive than the alkane, then it will give dihalogen derivative, trihalogen derivative and tetrahalogen derivative. Therefore, we have to adjust the concentration of halogen atom, then we get desired alkyl halide as a product. Then next, reaction of hydrogen halide. Alkyl halides are prepared by passing dry hydrogen halide, that is HX, into the alcohol by heating the alcohol with concentrated aqueous acid. The reactivity of alcohols towards HX. Tertiary alcohols are more reactive than the secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols are more reactive than the primary, and which is more reactive than the methanol. Here ethyl alcohol, they are primary alcohols. It react with HCl, that is HX, in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. This anhydrous ZnCl2 or zinc chloride is a catalyst for this reaction. Then there is protonation of this OH group, then removal of water molecule, and there is attack of this nucleophilic Cl minus on this CH2, and we get ethyl chloride as a product. Again, same concentrated HBr. Then reaction between this and propyl alcohol. Again, it is primary alcohol. We get product N propyl bromide. Then this is secondary alcohol. OH group is attached to second carbon, that is 2-propanol. When it react with hydroiodic acid, then we get the iodine at second carbon. Therefore, it is 2-iodopropane or isopropyl iodide plus water. Then next is the tertiary alcohol react with HCl at room temperature, because these tertiary alcohols are more reactive than other alcohols, that is secondary and primary alcohols, than methanol. Therefore, they requires only just room temperature, and we get tertiary butyl halide, or this is tertiary butyl chloride, and plus water is a byproduct. Therefore, reaction with we can prepare alkyl halides by reaction with halogen halide. Alcohols react with HCl or HBr or HI. We get desired alkyl halides. And the reactivity of alkyl halide, tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary alcohol, which is more reactive than the primary, which is more reactive than methanol. Then next, reaction with phosphorus halide. Phosphorus halide means PX5 or PX3. Alkyl halides are prepared by action of PCl3 or PCl5 or thionyl chloride. SOCl2 is called thionyl chloride on alcohol. Then this reaction ethyl alcohol when react with PCl3, that is phosphorus trichloride. Then product is ethyl chloride. OH group is replaced by chlorine atom. Then the hydrogen, the byproduct is the phosphoric acid. And when it react with PCl5, that is phosphorus pentahalide, then product is ethyl chloride, and byproduct is phosphorus oxychloride. When it react with PCl3, that is PX3, that phosphorus trichloride, byproduct is phosphoric acid, and when it react with phosphorus pentahalide, then the byproduct is phosphorus oxychloride. Then again, reaction with thionyl chloride, same reaction like phosphorus halide. The OH group is replaced by halogen. Byproducts are SO2 and SCl, that is sulfur dioxide and SCl. Then here again this isopropyl alcohol react with thionyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride formation plus sulfur dioxide is byproduct and SCl. Then again PBr, phosphorus tribromide. Then formation of phosphoric acid as a byproduct and ethyl bromide. Then ethanol react with phosphorus for triiodide, and product is ethyl iodide plus phosphoric acid is a byproduct.